Hello guys. Today I'm going to unboxing HP Inktank 580 printer and setup. Let's do. Unboxing printer. Removing tapes. Follow the steps. Here the ink bottles and printer head box. So we need to remove ink bottles polythene. Here the printer cable. Also have the two printer heads in the box. So unpacking the two printer heads. Follow the steps. When set up the printer, first we need to fill the ink one by one. First filling the black ink bottle. Push to the tank. You can see the filling ink. After the filling black color, close the black tank cap. After we can fill the cyan ink bottle. Close the cyan tank cap. After fill the magenta color. Close the cap. Finally, we can fill the yellow ink bottle. Close the cap. Also close the printer door. Now you can install the printer driver using the browser. Power on the printer. Open the printer door. Now we are going to install the printer head. Follow the steps. Remove the printer head dummy. Please install the printer heads. Follow the steps. Remove the printer head stickers. Installing tricolor printer head. After installing the printer heads, tighten the printer head's cover head. Close the printer door. You can see the calibration of the printer. Inserting A4 paper. You can see the printing printer alignment report. After the element page is printed, you can see the printer scan the bulb blinking. Then this page insert to the scanner. Press the scanner button. You can listen to scanning preparing sound. Printing the scan document. Printer setup is completed. Thanks for the watching. Please subscribe and support me.